children, today let's start with chapter number 17, Fundamental Rights and Duties. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the fundamental rights, what are rights that we should use. Citizen, in our Constitution of India, fundamental right क्या है? They are granted to Indian citizen कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं, अपना individual freedom को protect कर सकते हैं. Right? These rights are so crucial that neither the executive nor the legislature can take them away. So it's essential to note that these fundamental rights can be suspended. ये suspend हो सकती है during the proclamation of emergency. Right? So we have fundamental right. Constitution categorize fundamental right into 6 laws. पहले right to equality. Every person is equal before the law. We cannot discriminate against religion, caste, sex, place of birth. It shall not be denied equality before law. It shall receive equal protection. Right? It shall not face discrimination. There must be equal opportunity for all citizens. And the right also abolished untouchability और क्या eliminate करता है that there were earlier given implied. Now right to particular freedom to express their thoughts and assembly peacefully without a weapon, to form association, unions and move freely, to practice any profession. Right to education that is RT मतलब आपके जो बच्चा है जो आपका 6 to 14 years का उसके पास right है कि he will study, he or she will be study 3 years. Right against exploitation, safeguard all citizens against exploitation. Slavery and human trafficking. It prohibits the use of women, children and disabled for immoral purpose. Children as at the 14 can be employed and does his job और disabled cannot be forced. भाई कोई disabled है आप उसको force नहीं कर सकते कि वो भीख वर्क. और जो बच्चे जिनका जो अंडर द एज ऑफ 14 है वो किसी भी तरीके की hazardous जॉब नहीं करे. Now right to freedom of religion. No state religion in India. Freedom of conscience and right to profess. आप अपने religion को profess कर सकते हो, practice कर सकते हो. Religious group right to establish and maintain their institution for religious or charitable purpose. Next is culture and education right. This right stipulates that when the religious community is in the minority, the state must not impose any culture other than community's own. Now, rights of constitutional remedy. This right, the heart of constitution providing legal right against exploitation, and the Supreme Court has the authority to issue order and direction and writs to inform these rights. Now, fundamental duties. We have some fundamental duties to act according to constitution and respect national flag. आपको अपने national flag और national anthem को respect करना है और जो idols है जो आपके expired है by the struggle for independence उनको आपको क्या करना है प्रोटेक्ट करना है safeguard करना है इंडिया की sovereignty, unity and integrity, promote unity among all citizens, preserve our culture heritage और आपको अपने environment को प्रोटेक्ट करना है, cultivate scientific thinking, protect public property, strive for excellence in all individual and collective endeavor, parent or guardian to provide education to the children in the age 6 to 40. Directive principles. So minimize inequality in income, status, facilities, improving nutrition and public health, equitably distributing resources and preventing wealth concentration, promoting cottage industry and preventing slaughter of useful cattle. जैसे cow हो गए, calves हो गए, milk हो गए, right? This is all about our fundamental duties and rights, and I have also told you about directive principle. Hope you understood the chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.